In order to qualify for Medicaid, your assets have to be below $4,000 for an individual. Your income has to be below $2,022 per month for an individual. Now, if your income exceeds this amount, you can shelter any additional fund that exceed that using something called a qualified income trust. That is a special type of trust that will basically exempt any monthly income that exceeds the income cap of $2,022 per month and requires you to use those funds to go toward your skilled nursing care. The asset cap of $4,000 has a couple of exceptions. The first exception is exempt assets. Certain assets are not counted by Medicaid. The primary two of those exemptions are a house and a car. Medicaid doesn't count a home if the equity in the home doesn't exceed $500,000. And so most people in Mississippi have houses that are worth less than the $500,000 cap. And so that's an exempt asset for purposes of Medicaid qualification. A car of any value is also exempt. And so a car will not keep you off of Medicaid. Beyond that, there are some limited exemptions, such as a prepaid funeral fund. If you have funds set aside of no more than $6,000 for a prepaid funeral, those are exempted, or an irrevocable funeral contract. So if you've prepaid funds to a funeral home, that's an exempt asset for Medicaid purposes as well, provided that those are irrevocable, that you aren't entitled to receive those back. If you're a Medicaid applicant and you have an IRA or 401k or other retirement assets, and those are in payout status, then those are not counted as an asset. However, the payout from that is counted as income for the individual. But if they're in payout status, under current Mississippi law, they're not countable as a resource for an individual and won't disqualify you.